Hey everyone, this is Jordan with the media staff at Campaign Artisans. If you're viewing this video, you're most likely interested in earning an additional monthly income by becoming a merchant partner with our team. In this presentation, we'll be going over topics such as your monthly pay, what we do, what your role will be as a merchant partner, and how to become one. I'd like to start by mentioning that this partnership is for candidates who are ethical, reliable, cooperative, and can be available online for a minimum of 25 minutes each week. If you feel that you don't align with one or more of these points, this partnership might not be for you. So you're probably asking yourself, what do we do at Campaign Artisans? To put it simply, we operate in the e-commerce industry, creating health and skincare-based product campaigns. We also work with direct response brands to scale up their monthly revenue. Now, let's get into the heart of our presentation. As a partner, you'll work with our support and accounting teams to sign merchant account applications under your own business entity, which we'll create for you. These applications come in PDF format and will be emailed to you as they arrive. When the applications are approved, this usually takes 60 to 90 days, and the accounts are integrated into our CRM, you'll be paid $400 on the first of each month via PayPal for as long as the accounts remain active, typically ranging from 12 to 84 months. What's the need for you to sign merchant applications? As e-merchants ourselves, we're limited to the monthly revenue we can generate utilizing our own accounts. Hiring additional partners allows us to bypass this limit and scale up faster. For every partner we bring aboard, we're effectively able to generate an additional 4 to 5 figures in monthly revenue. Have you decided that becoming a merchant partner is right for you? Click the button or link below or above this video to apply, or go to apply.campaignartisans.com to fill in your application. If your application is approved, a member of our team will reach out to you via text message. After that, we'll email you a link to upload one form of identification, your social security number, your personal bank statements from the past 3 months, your most recent tax returns from the past 2 years, and a recent utility bill. Using the information you've provided, we'll create an LLC, a business bank account, and a mail forwarding address. These 3 items will be utilized to acquire merchant applications. This process is entirely legal, safe, and secure. So you've waited 2 or 3 months, you're now a merchant partner, and you've received your first monthly payment. Is there anything we'd want from you? Well, yes. If you're comfortable with providing an honest testimonial stating your experience with us, we'd greatly appreciate it. Your feedback means a lot to us. Becoming a merchant partner with our team is a simple way to earn an additional $400 per month. Interested in joining us? Click the button or link below or above this video, or go to apply.campaignartisans.com to leave your application. Thanks for watching. We hope to have you aboard soon.